हाय, मेरा नाम है अनूप। मैं हूं आपका इनोवेटिव सेवी। आई होप यू गाइस आर सेफ एंड हेल्दी एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसे आप सभी को पता है कि कोविड-19 के चलते हुए इंसानों की जिंदगी बदल चुकी है और उनकी हर गतिविधियां। सबसे ज्यादा असर अगर किसी पे हुआ है वो है टूरिज्म और सिविल एविएशन। कहा जाता है कंप्लीट लॉकडाउन। भारत में 2 महीने के लॉकडाउन के बाद सिविल एविएशन ओपन हुआ और सभी जो देश और विदेश में अलग अलग जगह पे फंसे हुए थे वो सभी अभी फ्लाइट लेके वापस आने लगे अपने घर। मगर एज आई सेड बिफोर, सब बदल चुका है हवाई सफर में। इसीलिए इस वीडियो में आई विल शो यू गाइस दोस चेंजेस और व्हाट इज द न्यू नॉर्मल ऑफ एयर ट्रैवल। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स माय सिस्टर पंकुड़ी हु हैव शेयर्ड दिस वीडियोस ऑफ हर ट्रैवल फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली टू भुवनेश्वर ऑन 30th of May 2020.
Hello everyone, this is Delhi International Airport Terminal 3. You can see how the airport has been affected with the ongoing crisis.
इंडिया में डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट्स रिज्यूम हुए 25 मई से विद फुल कैपेसिटी अंडर वेरियस रेस्ट्रिक्शन।
The domestic civil aviation operations will be permitted with effect from 25th May to a limited extent of the required and approved capacity of the summer schedule 2020.
Before booking the flight tickets, we all need to know this new rules and regulations.
Hello everyone, this is Delhi International Airport and I have just completed my security check-in. As you can see, I'm proceeding towards the lounge area and this is how it is. This is how the status has changed after COVID. You can see all the shops are open. This is to show you how people are moving around. All the shops are vacant. I don't think anyone is in the mood to shop right now at this hour, and we can see that it's not as crowded as it used to be. Not even the kids. Oh, one is interested. Okay, I'll show you around. Every store is open, in fact, as we can see. I didn't expect the shopping arena to be open at this point, but it's good to see. I'll just move the camera around. I spotted my lounge area and proceed to it. Let's see if the social distancing norms are being followed here or not. You can, I really doubt though. People moving around with PPE kits. This is the new normal, guys. CCD, the square is open. I can spot the food court area. I'll show you around again when I move upstairs. I'll make sure I'm not touching the railings. Yep. Okay, so this is the food court area. This is the assurance of hygiene. Okay, so I spot a contactless hand sanitizer. This is, let's try if this works or not. Perfect, works fine. Okay, so we have KFC, Rango, Food Street. Okay, almost everything is open. Pizza Hut is there, and people are actually buying food and sitting in the food court area. It's almost 80%, 90% full. There are a lot of security and health checkups that I had to go through before entering this airport. I'll give you a detailed procedure and step-by-step guidance of how you can go about it. Okay, I was expecting this area would be closed, but no. Flights are operating almost to all the major cities in the country. Alright, then I'm moving towards the premium lounge area. I'll keep you updated. I can see people checking into it, so I'll give you a tour of the lounge once I'm inside. So I'm proceeding towards my gate and my boarding has already started. I spent quite a lot of time in the lounge before realizing that I'm running late by 10 minutes in boarding. My gate number is 32 and I suppose I'm walking fast and I'll guide you through each and every procedure that will be undertaken for boarding. I'll just give a final check on the display board so I am sure that I am proceeding towards the right gate. Right 32. Okay, proceeding towards gate number 32. You can see most of the waiting area is occupied. That large gathering that you see, that's where I'm supposed to go. Bad luck. I hope I'll be able to keep my camera on while I take the procedure. I don't see any social distancing norm being followed religiously. People lining up in a queue, scanning their boarding passes with very regular. What I will do is just avoid this crowd and wait at a safe distance, and maybe then I can check in at the end. I'll collect the PP kit that is being distributed in the meanwhile.
प्लीज बैठ जाइए, जिनकी भी सीटें हैं प्लीज बैठ जाइए, भीड़ मत लगाइए प्लीज.
Okay, let me figure out who's giving these PP kits. Alright.
जल्दी नहीं कुछ लोग अभी आप बैठ जाइए, आराम से जाए. आपका सेफ्टी लगा तो अभी तक दोनों
Thank you. Let me find a comfortable seat with less people around me. I'll show you what all I've got. There's this face shield, a couple of sanitizing sachets, and a mask. I think I have a better mask than them. So I'll just gear up and get back with you. Now I'm scanning my boarding pass. Thank you. Thank you. All done. Moving towards the aircraft now. It's really difficult to breathe in with the mask and the face shield on. So that's my aircraft.
यहाँ तक की सीट पर बैठ जाए.
You can see most of the middle seats are also occupied. I don't know about mine. I don't think I'll be putting my bag in the luggage bin. Let's exiting. Thank you. Just exit. On that queue, there was some project work being done here also. I just went through the procedure and I'm on the next queue for stamp. भुवनेश्वर
भुवनेश्वर प्रॉपर भुवनेश्वर
हाँ
कोई जगह तो
कटक रोड
नाटक कोई
पंखुरी PANKHURI
मोबाइल नंबर
9090. Alright, so guys, now I'm proceeding towards the baggage claim area. This is the stamp. I've asked for my basic details: name, phone number, age, gender, and address. I just look for my bag. Ripped off. Yeah. Alright guys then.
Towards the end, I would like to highlight 6 things that you must take care of. Social distancing, wear a mask and gloves, install Arogya Setu app before leaving the home. You may face some internet issue, especially for the international travelers coming back to India, as they have to activate Indian SIM. Carry a pen for filling of various declarations, immigration and custom. For international travelers, कैरी द इंडियन करेंसी, कैरी योर ओन सैनिटाइजर। आई होप आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा एंड थोड़ी हेल्पफुल होगी आपके फ्यूचर ट्रैवल्स के लिए। सो प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो एज मच एज यू कैन एंड स्प्रेड दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन टू ऑल। एंड वीडियो देख चुके तो थोड़ा सब्सक्राइब करते हुए निकल जाइएगा। एंड आप सभी को तो ऐसे ही पता है कि ऐसे ट्रैवल रिलेटेड वीडियो यहाँ हमेशा पोस्ट होते रहेंगे। एंड प्लीज कमेंट में बताइए, डिड आई मिस एनीथिंग? इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू एवरीबॉडी। सो दैट्स इट फॉर नाउ। दिस इज ऑन ऑफ साइनिंग ऑफ। सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन बाय बाय, सबा खैर एंड जय जगन्नाथ एंड ऑफ कोर्स स्टे सेफ।